Hi, I'm Doug from the product team here at Sophos, and today we'll be taking a closer look at some additional web control features. We're here on the Sophos Central Dashboard, and we'll click into the Endpoint Protection section, then on the Policies link in the left nav. Next, we'll click into the Web Control Policy, and if you remember from the Policy Overview video, we set our initial Web Control Policy to Business Only, which is a pretty restrictive policy for our users. Now, in an attempt to keep our users on task, we've blocked all these productivity-related categories, including shopping. But what we're finding is that a lot of our users are going to Apple's website to shop for MacBooks and iPhones and whatnot. Apple's not normally a shopping site, but our users are using it as a shopping site. So what we want to do is designate Apple.com as a shopping site. So for that, we'll click over to the Settings section here, and under General Settings, we'll choose Website Management. From there, we'll simply click the Add button in the corner here. We'll add Apple.com. And under the category override here, we're going to designate this to be a shopping site. So in the base web control policy, all our users' machines will treat Apple.com as a shopping site, which is blocked thanks to our business only policy. We've run into a problem though. Our managers really love cruising shopping sites all day, so we don't want to block them for our managers. In this case, we'll create an exemption policy for anyone on our management team. For that, we'll go back to the policies page, and we're going to select our base policy under web control, and then up in the upper right corner here, let's click the clone button. And we'll call this policy Manager Web Policy, and then we'll need to select who's covered under this policy. Now, assuming we have a management group, we'll click over to the Groups tab here and simply move management from the available user groups over to the assigned user groups. And then in the Settings tab here, under Acceptable Web Usage, we'll change this from Business Only to Let Me Specify, and we'll do the same for productivity-related categories. And down here, we'll change shopping from block to allow. And then one final step, we've got this Policy Bypass tab now. We want to change this toggle here in order to actually activate it. So click Save, and now any user who's part of the management group will be allowed to freely browse shopping sites all day long. Just to double check, let's see if our policies are working. We're logged in as a local admin on this machine who is not part of the management team, so this user gets the base policy. When the user tries to go to Apple.com or any shopping site for that matter, the site gets blocked. Now over on this machine, we're logged in as Michael, who is part of the management team. Therefore, he's allowed to visit Apple.com and other shopping sites thanks to the management exemption policy.